Alright, this is the Amphitheater at Tree Hill Nature Center. And little kids in here today. We got a nature garden, a community garden, and picnic tables and stuff over here. We'll picnic at, and that's where the school buses come. This is a parking lot here. That's where the schools come at. They'll see that in the front of the front parking lots. So all the schools and buses will come over here and park just because it's more room. Show y'all this garden. And we got this butterfly exhibit thing right here that's closed. It says open from April to July. It is technically April the 2nd. Sure, we can get out of here. Not nothing going on. It's closed. Nice little spot to come at with your kids, man. And like I said, in the main building, they got all the animals and stuff. Y'all see it on my channel. Dealing with the snakes and this the garden, the community garden. See if it's open, I can go in it. And my son right here running around blending in with them kids. Nah, it's closed. Community garden. That's the amphitheater. Hmm?